It was an absolute nightmare of a meth house. The worst meth house I have ever seen. They straight up were cooking meth in this house, not just smoking it or, you know, having parties, which is what we normally find. I mean, we've picked up meth houses before. This was a straight up chemical compound.
Yeah, it was crazy. Now, we've done meth houses in the past, like Maylee said. You know, but if someone smoked meth in the house, whether it be once or multiple times, usually it just requires a process where we go in and apply a hydrogen peroxide to the walls. Now, this is not stuff you can buy over the counter. This is like, you know, that 1% concentrate stuff that you get at the pharmacy. This is like 99% concentrate. It literally melts the paint off the walls. However, we think this was a lab because
it had to have been.
We ended up having to tear the sheetrock off the walls and throw it away in order to get the city to allow us to continue the process of cleaning this thing up.